Take a look at my drop. You can see I'm cold as chrome, and I'm looking like a rolling stone. Take a look at my drop. Candy paint rims and all, and a tent just to finish off. Take a look at my drop. See me in designer clothes, only with the finest clothes. Take a look at my drop. Drop, 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 drop. Take a look at my drop. You can see I'm cold as chrome, and I'm looking like a rolling stone. Take a look at my.
We're gonna go watch the Suns play the Lakers. We're gonna go to the theater room. We're at Genesis right now. We're in the pool. We had some carne asada and some chicken. It was bomb. We're in a luxury.
Just check out these. This is Genesis' apartment.
Yeah, we're in Genesis' apartment. This is the luxury room.
Yep. This is what happens. We each have couches.
Hey, look at my pink socks.
Hold on. Theater. No food or beverages will be allowed in the theater.
What beverages? Where? We're not drinking. This is not a beverage.
Okay, I'm turning the TV on.
Yeah, no sex in the champagne room.
There's no sex?
Is that what it's... No. I was like, wait, what?
I lay flats.
Yeah, MJ really does have a month.
We're like twins. No, we're not. Yeah, we are. No, we're not.
I don't have any fucking service in here. It's retarded. Actually, I got sweet. These games will start at 5:30.
With a spectacular performance. 42 points, 11 rebounds. Steve Nash, 15 points, 15 assists. And how about just one turnover?
15 assists.
We're done. Okay, give it the fucking ball up.
Woo! Fucking Suns.
Slow clap.
This is Skyfy.
So legit.
So many activities to do here.
Did you know there's a difference between rollerblading and roller skating?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can still do this without breaking my legs. I don't want to go too high. I don't have any up here. It puts.
You gonna jump off?
Huh? No, I'm gonna get back off.
There we go.
Choo choo.
Wait up, hold on. I got a backpack.
I can't even sit up.
I got a back. You got a cigarette in here?
Mm-hmm. I'm throwing it. We're gonna have to lay down, dude.
Alright, go for it.
Someone probably peed in here. No.
You're taking my backpack.
Please no. Ah! Go down the slide. Ow. Oh, dude, it's hard to get out the coat.
What?
Look at that.
Okay, we're going back now. Let's go. Alright, I'm going home now, and it's really nice outside today.